Unleash your inner champion. Cultivating self-motivation. How can you reach your full potential? This video will provide you with concrete techniques to promote personal growth and success. Explore more materials given in the description and start on a transformational journey. Understanding self-motivation. To understand self-motivation, we must first define intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Self-motivation is the internal power that drives us to pursue our objectives and overcome barriers. Intrinsic motivation comes from inside, driven by personal interests and ideals, whereas extrinsic motivation is based on external incentives or demands. Tap into your fundamental motivations, your passions, purpose, and ardent desire for progress to build a long-term drive that goes beyond transient rewards. We recommend the following book, Drive: The Surprising Truth About What Motivates Us by Daniel H. Pink. Developing a growth mindset. This is the concept that skills can be developed with devotion and effort. Rather than avoiding obstacles, people with a growth mindset view them as chances for improvement. Failure is considered as a learning opportunity rather than a barrier. A low test result, for example, inspires students to change their study habits rather than to question themselves. A disappointing product launch leads an entrepreneur to evaluate and improve their strategy. Adopting a growth mindset entails viewing setbacks as feedback for improvement. Mistakes become stepping stones that are not permanent. Encourage this mentality by viewing problems as opportunities, allowing failures to educate you, and realizing your full potential via continual learning and growth. The voyage itself is a prize. Suggested resource: online course Mindset Mastery. Develop a growth mindset for success. Setting and achieving goals. Setting SMART objectives is essential for self-motivation. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Define your goals exactly. Make them measurable, reasonable yet hard, match them with your beliefs, and set time frames. Increase daily productivity by 25% within 3 months is an example of a SMART objective. Break down large goals into smaller, more manageable tasks to help you stay on track. To stay motivated, celebrate tiny achievements along the way. Regularly assess your progress and alter your strategy as appropriate. Setting SMART objectives gives you clarity, trackability, and a roadmap for success, which fuels your inner drive. You can buy the recommended goal-setting planner that we use. Check the description. Overcoming obstacles. Obstacles are unavoidable on the way. These impediments, whether they be due to fear, procrastination, or unanticipated problems, can be daunting. Remember, these are diversions, not stop signs. To conquer fear, confront it front on. Break down ambitions into smaller steps and tackle your fears. To overcome procrastination, create routines, establish deadlines, and celebrate tiny victories. When challenges emerge, embrace resilience. Adapt your strategy, learn from setbacks, and continue. The key is determination and a desire to persevere. The route to success is not easy, but with determination and perseverance, you may attain your goals. Stay strong, keep moving forward, and never give up. The following book could give you more pointers. The Obstacle is the Way. The Timeless Art of Turning Trials into Triumph by Ryan Holiday. Harnessing visualization and affirmations. Visualization and positive affirmations are extremely effective methods for increasing motivation and attaining your goals. By clearly envisioning your intended results, you train your mind to succeed. Find a quiet area, close your eyes, and see yourself achieving your goals in vivid detail. Engage all your senses, see, hear, and feel your future world. Combine visualization with affirmations such as, I am competent and deserving of achievement, or I have the strength to conquer any challenge. To reinforce self-belief, repeat these mantras continuously. When doubts arise, go to your visualizations and affirmations. Visualize yourself triumphant and validate your ability. With constant practice, you may develop an unstoppable mentality for attaining your goals. Suggested resource: guided meditation app with visualization exercises like the application named Calm. Creating a supportive environment. On your route to success, the company you maintain is extremely important. Surround yourself with positive individuals who will inspire, encourage, and support your progress. Seek mentors who have already traveled on this journey. Learn from their experiences and let their knowledge guide you. Join networks of like-minded people working towards similar aims. At the same time, limit your exposure to negativity that promotes self-doubt. Maintain a positive outlook by establishing an atmosphere that supports it. Eliminate negative self-talk and spend less time with those who do not share your goal. Cultivate connections that enrich you emotionally, cognitively, and spiritually. When difficulties emerge, rely on your support network to continue with newfound strength. Positive impacts combine into enormous momentum that propels you towards your goals. Check for online community or forum for personal development. Conclusion. In this remarkable trip, we have seen how self-motivation can make goals a reality. The incredible experiences recounted serve as a poignant reminder that with tenacity, resilience, and a firm conviction in oneself, any difficulty can be conquered. Self-motivation is a talent that may be developed with constant practice and effort. Accept the tactics offered, create attainable objectives, and surround yourself with a supporting network to reach your maximum potential. Take action today and start your journey to personal development and prosperity. Identify your passion, see your ultimate objective, and allow self-motivation to drive you ahead. We invite you to explore further resources for personal growth and development on the description. Thank you and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.